Welcome back. Let's do question 151. The diagram shows the graphs of g of x and f of x. R and S are the x-intercepts of g. T is the y-intercept of g. And graph f passes through R and T. Use the graphs to determine the values of x for which f of x is equal to g of x. Where are the two functions equal? The two functions are equal at the points of intersection. There's no need for calculation here because we've done this already. Okay, we found that r is -2, 0, and then we found that t is 0, 8. So it means these two graphs are equal when x is equal to -2 or when x is equal to 0. Let me show you how to do this algebraically. So we got the equation of g of x. It was g of x is equal to -2x squared plus 8. And then the equation of f of x was 4x plus 8. We got this equation of f here, and then the equation of g of x there. We found the a and q. So if you want to find the coordinates of the points of intersection, you equate the two functions, means g of x is equal to f of x. Please remember that. Okay, these points, there is y-intercept, know that x is equal to 0. X-intercept, know that y is equal to 0. Points of intersection, know that the two functions will be equal. So we have -2x squared plus 8 is equal to 4x plus 8. Alright, we have positive 8 this side, positive 8 this side. They will cancel each other out. Remember, they do this if the signs are equal and they are on the opposite sides of the equal sign, because if you transpose, this 8 becomes -8. So they subtract each other out. Then we remain with -2x squared. Let me bring 4x this side. -4x is equal to 0. We can factor out -2x, -2x, and then we get x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, -2x is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0, or x is equal to -2. I was just showing you how to do this algebraically, but we have this from this. This is our x value where f of x is equal to g of x. This is our x value where f of x is equal to g of x. The answer is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to -2.